While there are no set formulas for predicting future wealth, certain signs may indicate that you are on the right path. The following are 10 positive indicators that you are heading towards riches. 1. Your consistent dedication and hard work drive you to excel in your field, demonstrating a strong work ethic. 2. Passion and innovation. The pursuit of something that excites you and the constant search for innovative solutions can lead to success. 3. Lifelong learning. Thirst for knowledge and commitment to personal growth can open the door to new possibilities. 4. Financial savviness. Smart financial decisions, like saving, investing wisely, and avoiding unnecessary debt, can contribute to your financial well-being. Overcoming challenges and setbacks with determination is a sign of resilience, which shows the grit needed to achieve your goals. Accessing valuable resources and insights can be achieved by building a diverse network of valuable connections. The ability to think outside the box can lead to innovative ideas or solutions that others may not have considered. Add value. Whether it's a product, service, or innovation, adding value to people's lives can be a stepping stone to financial success. Identifying problems and developing solutions is a skill that can make you indispensable in different contexts. A long-term perspective suggests that being patient and willing to invest time in building a solid foundation can lead to substantial rewards down the road. Keep in mind that these signs are not a guarantee of wealth, but they point to qualities and actions that can help you on your journey toward financial success. Being wealthy can offer various advantages, but it's important to remember that money isn't the only source of happiness. Here are 10 benefits that you can experience with financial freedom. Financial security, a sense of stability and peace of mind knowing that you have the resources to handle unexpected expenses or emergencies. Greater financial resources can open doors to new experiences, investments, and ventures. Improved quality of life, such as the ability to afford better living conditions, healthcare, education, and access to premium services. Financial independence allows you to make choices without being limited solely by monetary considerations. Reduced stress, fewer worries about money can lead to improved mental and emotional well-being. Resources for traveling and exploring new destinations, cultures, and experiences. Education and skill development is the method of pursuing further education or acquiring new skills that can contribute to personal growth and career advancement. Legacy building, opportunity to leave a lasting legacy for your family, community, or causes you care about. Time freedom, the ability to spend more time on activities and hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. While financial wealth can offer many benefits, it's essential to maintain a balance in your life. Balance with your relationships, health, work life, and personal growth are equally important for overall well-being.